Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Jobber. So if you don't know what is this platform all about, it's a field service management software designed to help small and medium-sized businesses manage their operations more easily. So you just have to go to their site, jobber.com, and then fill in some information here. You can sign up using your Google account or your Gmail and password. And then you can just answer them with these basic questions. So, for example, your field or your company or services is all about cleaning or carpet cleaning. They will ask how many employees do you have, estimated revenue for a year, and so on. So once done, and then you should see the dashboard of Jobber, and this is what it looks like. So on the left side, you will see here information like home. You can see here create, client, request, jobs, codes, invoices, and so on. So to start, let's just go directly on how to add client here on your Jobber. So all you need to do is tap on create or go to clients. Basically, you will see here all your clients. And then to add, you just have to tap this new, add the information of your client here. So the name, also the contact. So for example, you're going to contact them via phone or email address. You can also add the location of the client right here, the address, and so on. Once done, once you have saved the information, it would be easier for you to see the overview, the requests, the codes, jobs, invoices, which you can send to your client. So everything is here in short. As you can see, what Jobber does, you can manage clients, store client details, job history, and notes. Basically, you can send codes and invoices, create professional estimates and invoices quickly. Also, calendar, you can schedule and dispatch jobs, assign jobs to team members, and track progress. You can add your team members here on Jobber. And then on the calendar, you can add new tasks, new requests, new job, everything is up to you. Process payments, accept online payments through credit card or bank transfer. So if you are running a service, for example, cleaning and so on, this platform is the best for you. All you need to do is store your client's name, client's information. Then you can just basically do scheduling, manage, send codes and invoices, track time expenses, and so on. So in short, Jobber is like a, or let's just say an all-in-one office plus scheduling plus billing tool for service business. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.